Have you ever wondered how 3D printing can contribute to saving the environment? With increasing concern for sustainability, it's essential to explore alternative ways to reduce waste and conserve resources. 3D printing technology has the potential to revolutionize the manufacturing industry and help us achieve a more sustainable future. In this video, we will discuss 3 main ways 3D printing can benefit the environment: reducing waste, using eco-friendly materials, and enabling local production. So let's dive in and explore the exciting possibilities of 3D printing for the planet. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our content. As we know, our regular manufacturing processes emit a lot of carbon, which is very bad for the environment. On the other hand, 3D printing can be a solution to this problem. Let's see how 3D printing helps the environment. Number 1. Less travel means less carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere. One of the most remarkable benefits of 3D printing lies in its ability to significantly reduce fuel consumption and consequently carbon dioxide emissions. Traditional manufacturing processes often involve transporting products through multiple stages, sometimes across different countries. This constant movement contributes to a significant amount of greenhouse gas emissions. However, 3D printing offers a more environmentally friendly alternative. By utilizing a 3D printer, both the product and its packaging can be created in a single convenient location. Furthermore, design files can be easily shared via email, enabling production to take place in another country without physically transporting the item multiple times. This innovative approach to manufacturing helps minimize the use of shipping, flying, and driving, resulting in decreased carbon emissions. In essence, 3D printing's ability to make manufacturing more sustainable is an indirect yet incredibly significant benefit, one that holds the potential to reshape the way we think about production and contribute to a greener future. Number 2. Creating things that weigh less. Another fascinating aspect of 3D printing's long-term potential lies in the creation of lightweight products. You see, items produced through 3D printing technology can be up to 50% lighter than those manufactured using traditional methods. How? Well, 3D printing enables the construction of objects with minimal internal structure, which not only reduces production costs, but also results in lighter products overall. Now imagine the ripple effect of this advantage. Lighter 3D printed components require less energy to be transported, contributing to further reductions in fuel consumption and emissions. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Picture transportation vehicles like aircraft and cars being 3D printed as well. Their reduced weight would mean less energy consumption during operation. So 3D printing isn't just revolutionizing manufacturing, it's also paving the way for a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. It's a genuinely exciting time for innovation, and we're only scratching the surface of what's possible. Number 3. Components are simple to fix. A third advantage that 3D printing brings to the table is the ease of repairing components. Imagine a scenario where a specific part of a product breaks and finding a replacement becomes a challenge. Traditionally, the common solution would be to replace the entire product. However, with a 3D printer at your disposal, you can effortlessly print the required component yourself. Not only does this save money by reusing items instead of constantly replacing them, but it also presents an added benefit to the environment, as 3D printing proves to be a more sustainable alternative. Number 4. Reduce, recycle, and repurpose. Our world is grappling with an ever-growing waste problem, with annual garbage production expected to skyrocket from the current 1.3 billion tons to an astounding 2.2 billion tons within the next 3 years. In the face of this mounting issue, 3D printing with recycled materials offers a glimmer of hope. Impressively, up to 95% of a 3D printer's material can consist of recycled materials. However, since the chemical bonds in plastic weaken when melted, it's necessary to mix in some new plastic to ensure the final product is durable and reliable. In addition to recycled materials, bio-based polymers might just be the key to addressing the energy consumption concerns associated with 3D printing. Utilizing bio-based polymers in the printing process can be more energy efficient, as they require lower temperatures to work with. Together, these innovative solutions hold great promise for a more sustainable and eco-friendly future in 3D printing. Number 5. Power and effectiveness. 3D printing is truly transforming the way we think about production and efficiency. By using bio-based polymers, which are not only non-toxic but also biodegradable, we can create products that are more environmentally friendly. Sometimes preparing materials locally can even help reduce energy consumption and save on costs. Imagine having a 3D printer right in your office, capable of producing parts, prototypes, and finished goods without the need for traditional shipping methods. This shift towards localization production means that planes, ships, and trucks can have a much smaller impact on our environment. Plus, 3D printing allows us to produce individual items on demand, eliminating the need for energy-consuming warehouses filled with mass-produced goods. The versatility of 3D printers is truly remarkable. They can replace multiple machines in a factory, reducing the need for large industrial facilities. By using fewer machines to produce the same amount of goods, we can minimize our environmental footprint. With 3D printers being compact enough to be placed in urban centers, closer to residential areas, we can also reduce the environmental and social disturbances caused by emissions and noise pollution from large factories. Number 6. New technologies for environmental monitoring. It's amazing how innovations in environmental monitoring technology have been brought to life with the help of 3D printing. Just think about the Nano Environmental Monitoring System, or NEMOS, for example. This remarkable system is equipped with low-cost sensors that can measure a wide range of environmental factors such as carbon dioxide concentrations, light intensity, air velocity, radiant temperature, air temperature, and relative humidity. What's truly impressive is that the NEMOS's measurements are within 5% of those recorded by commercial equipment in controlled environments. But that's not all. 3D printing has also made it possible to create pollution-removing filters and scrubbers. Imagine a flexible air filter capable of removing nitrous oxide from the air with a remarkable conversion rate of 52.6%. This invention represents a significant advancement in the search for a solution to the problem of industrial air pollution. Number 7. Alternative energy sources. Isn't it fascinating how 3D printing has made its way into the realm of renewable energy as well? The technology has been put to the test in various applications, such as fuel cells, wind turbines, and solar cells. For instance, 3D printed photovoltaic cells have been shown to generate more power per unit area than conventional flat fixed solar panels. Just imagine the possibilities this opens up for harnessing solar energy more efficiently. And let's not forget about wind turbines. Thanks to 3D printing, we now have blades designed in the shape of plant leaves, which help reduce wind strain due to their unique geometry. Paired with a generator, these small wind turbines created with a 3D printer cost merely around $21.63 and can produce 0.2 of a kilowatt of power for a home setting. How impressive is that? The beauty of 3D printing lies in its speed, affordability, and ability to create intricate shapes and designs. This makes it a perfect match for the development of energy-generating devices, expanding the horizons of what we can achieve in the world of renewable energy. The future of clean energy is looking brighter thanks to the wonders of 3D printing. Did you know that there are some amazing alternatives to traditional 3D printing that have a low impact on the environment? It's true. Instead of relying on traditional materials, some innovative minds have found a way to use plant-based materials for this incredible technology. One such material is derived from polylactic acid, PLA, which comes from plant sources like cornstarch. This eco-friendly plastic, commonly used for single-use items like straws, has gained popularity as a sustainable option for 3D printing. It's remarkable that this material can withstand temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, making it quite versatile. However, while PLA plastics may seem like a perfect solution to plastic pollution, they still have a downside. They can take hundreds of years to decompose under specific conditions, which is far from ideal. But fear not, because there's another alternative that shows great promise: algae-based polymers. Imagine this: plastics made from algae. These bioplastics are derived from biomass or renewable sources, often agricultural crops. By using algae as a raw material, we can address some of the pressing issues associated with plastic waste. What's truly fascinating is that microalgae, those tiny organisms that thrive in the presence of organic waste, can help us in this endeavor. We have an abundance of organic waste, and instead of letting it go to waste, we can leverage the power of microalgae to convert it into useful products. As these algae grow, they actually consume CO2 from the atmosphere, effectively reducing carbon emissions. It's a win-win situation. We can clean up our environment and obtain raw materials for various industries at the same time. Isn't nature incredible? The way microalgae work to transform waste into valuable resources while helping combat climate change is truly awe-inspiring. It's a reminder that even in the face of challenges like plastic pollution, there are always innovative and beautiful solutions waiting to be discovered. So what do you think? Does 3D printing ensure a sustainable future for the Earth? Let us know in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.